In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove table borders in Google Docs. If you want your document to look cleaner and more polished, removing table borders is a simple formatting trick that can make a big difference. It's especially useful when you want to keep the structure of a table for alignment and organization, but you don't want the visible lines to show on the page. To begin, open your Google Docs document and locate the table you want to edit. Once you've found it, click anywhere inside the table. This is important because Google Docs needs to know which table you're working with before it shows the right formatting options. You can click in any cell and that will activate the table tools. Next, right-click anywhere inside the table. A menu will appear. From that menu, select Table Properties, or in some versions of Google Docs, you may see Table Options instead. Don't worry if the wording looks slightly different on your screen. Both options lead you to the same place where you can control the table's appearance. After that, look for the Table Border section. In that area, you'll see a setting for border width. Change the border width to 0 points. This tells Google Docs to hide the visible lines around the table cells. As soon as you apply that setting, the borders will no longer appear in the document. At this point, your table should still be fully functional and neatly aligned, but without the visible outlines. That means you keep the layout benefits of a table while creating a softer, less cluttered look. This is a great option for resumes, forms, content layouts, and documents where you want information lined up cleanly without obvious grid lines. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that removing the borders does not delete the table itself. It only changes how the table looks. So if you need to edit the content later, the table structure is still there and can still help keep everything organized. This simple adjustment gives your document a more professional and modern appearance while preserving spacing, alignment, and overall organization. It's a small change, but it can really improve the final presentation of your work. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully removed table borders in Google Docs. Thank you for watching.